There are two simple ways to calculate weekly rainfall totals in Aquarius time series. One's using a statistically derived dataset, and the other's with reporting toolbox. So we'll just shoot over to Springboard here and open up the location in Location Manager, navigate to the datasets. And what I'm going to use is the daily precipitation that I have. I have a preceding daily set up. And so what you can do is just set up a new time series, statistical derived, and then set these parameters. Firstly, give it a label. I've chosen weekly total. Use the source as your primary data set. In this case, it's just preceding daily. And the computation is aggregate. Now keep in mind, for precipitation, the data type is interpolated as type 5. So that means the aggregate is going to be a total. So the time step here is as you wish. You can choose annual, monthly, weekly. We've already got daily totals, so that doesn't make sense. So in this case, it's just a weekly total. You have the choice to ensure the data coverage of 80% to set this statistically derived data set or not. And when you're done, you can just save and exit. Now the beauty about this is that it will continually update and create that data set. So you can view that at any given time. So we'll just update our time series here. There it is, weekly total. So if I just open that up in Data Correction Toolbox, you can see that it will just come up in our grid there. We'll have all the values, and we can work it out like that. Now another way we can do it is to choose your preceding cumulative, preceding daily, and then choose the reporting toolbox. Now the reporting toolbox has this option for an AQDR tabular, a CSV report, and this one has a header. So what we can do is have that input of that time series, but we can set a process on this as of an aggregate. And so for this particular time series, the aggregate will be 7 days and 0 hours, minutes, and seconds. So you'll just need to type in that aggregate, and the start time you can just choose from the data set. Right here you can see exactly when it is. So I'm just going to line that up so it's 0106, just like the other one here. And then when you're ready, you can just preview that data, and we'll just match these up. All right. So if I just put these two grids next to each other, you'll see that the 0106, it's just an empty value here for the first one, and then 37.812. So these are the totals for each of the weeks of rainfall. Okay, so there you go.